Is this actually the best luxury stay in Nagpur? Today we are checking into the legendary Tuli Imperial. From a room that feels like a palace to a breakfast spread that's famous across the city, we are testing it all. Welcome to the legendary Tuli Imperial in Nagpur. From the moment you see the grand fountain, you know you are in for a royal experience. And stepping into the lobby, traditional Indian craftsmanship meets modern luxury. But the absolute highlight is this stunning double staircase and that massive chandelier, and it feels like a walking into a palace. There's even a cozy lounge to soak in the vibes. But the lobby is just the beginning. Wait until you see the deluxe king rooms. Located right in the heart of Nagpur in Sadar, this boutique property is the city's best kept secret for luxury travelers, and it's only 15 minutes from airport. Today we are checking into the Deluxe King room. This isn't just about the stay, it's about the heritage vibes and that royal comfort. The first thing that you will notice is the scale. High ceilings, warm golden tones, and a bed that feels royalty. It fits that luxury boutique aesthetic perfectly. Whether you are here for work or a weekend getaway, the attention to detail is just stunning. From the ornate furniture to the classic Indian touches, it's pure elegance. If you ask anyone in Nagpur where to find the ultimate breakfast spread, they'll point you here, mint leaf at Tuli Imperial. This isn't just a meal, it's a culinary event. The vibe here is classic luxury. It's spacious, elegant, and perfectly sets the stage for what I'm about to show you. Let's enter mint leaf. Now, the big question is it really worth it? So, if you aren't staying at the hotel, the buffet costs approximately 700 to 800, excluding the taxes. For the quality and royal ambience, It is 10 on 10 because it has everything from Indian to continental, from crew sauce to masala dosas. And for the sweet lovers as well, they have a buffet and variety and everything. Go check it out. Now it's time for another restaurant if you're obsessed with rich flavors and stunning aesthetics. You need to check out Majestic Masala inside Hotel Tuli Imperial, right next to Mint Leaf. The ambience is pure luxury. Look at this. The hospitality is also top notch. The moment you enter, you will feel that you have entered into the classic cultural heritage somewhere. All right, with that, I leave you all with a question. Is a stay here at Tuli Imperial really worth it? If you ask me, you are looking for that perfect blend of regal vibe and top tier hospitality with the best food. But come here, stay for yourself and check it out. मिलेंगे अगले व्लॉग में तब तक के लिए टूडलूज कीप वॉचिंग फूड माई लाइफ लाइन